How to log in to AOL Mail. So if you want to log into your AOL Mail account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for AOL Mail login. And once you've searched, here you will have AOL Mail on the first search. You can simply click on that. And now to sign into your AOL, first you need to enter your username or your email address or your mobile number. So I'll be choosing email, and once you've entered your email address, click on next. But if you forgot your username or if you forgot your email and if you're facing a problem while logging in, then you can go for forgot username and you can recover your account. But if you remember, then simply enter your email and click on next. And now you need to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot your password option here on the bottom. You can click on it and then you can reset or recover your password. So to log in, simply enter your password, and once you've entered your password, click on next. And after entering your password, if it was correct, then it will directly take you to AOL Mail. So that's it. That's how you log into your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.